Hi everyone, it's Lily again from Domaine de Crome. Yesterday I made some sauerkraut. Here it is. I made it with red cabbage, and a couple that we know online shared the recipe with us last week, and I didn't realise how easy it was to make, so I thought I'd give it a go. So it's 3 ingredients: sea salt, red cabbage, has to be bio. You don't want any horrible pesticides in that jar, and 1 jar, and a bit of patience. So a little note to make afterwards, you'll have to just let a bit of the gas out every day, and when you do that, some of the juice will expel. So just be careful of that. That's point number 1. And also keep it in a little plastic container or something, just if a bit of juice spills over, it just catch any bits there and won't make a mess. So I hope you enjoyed the video, enjoy making it, and also just remember that if you like our videos and what we're doing, to subscribe underneath here, and enjoy.